A lot shit happened to me, bro. First week of July, nagkatrangkaso ako. And after that, akala ko magaling na ako. Then bro, nagkaroon ako ng chicken pox. Unexpected just para sa akin. And for the second and third week of July is my worst week, days, and hours of my life. Even though hindi pa rin ako nakaka-move on kasi I'm still insecure sa nangyari sa akin dahil sa meron pa rin mga marks sa mukha and sa katawan ko, let's move on. If I fail yesterday, I can do it better today. This is one of the best quotes that got me today. Today is day 53 on achieving my first 100,000 and today, I failed. This is just a reminder that even nag-fail ako today, ay hindi na ako pwede mag-improve. Bro, tomorrow is another opportunity to improve. To improve your skills, your health, your knowledge, your business, also your weaknesses. Just accept the fact na nag-fail tayo and move forward. There's always a space for improvement. I believe we can achieve